Hello guys and welcome to Marketing for Beginners, and today we will be discussing about the development of marketing. So marketing can be viewed in several different ways according to its role and the status within the organization itself. So first of all, we will take the marketing as an exchange process. Actually, the marketing occurs when people decide to satisfy needs and wants through the exchange. Actually, the exchange is the act of obtaining a desired object from someone by offering something in return. Speaking about in the broadest sense, the marketer tries to bring about a response to its market offerings. For an exchange, in order to take place, the following criteria should be existed and it should be followed. First of all, we will take as two or more social units, which means the individuals, groups, or organizations must be involved and each must have wants to be satisfied. And next, each party must possess something of value that the other party desires. The parties must be involved voluntarily, that means willing to give up to receive it. The parties involved must be able to communicate with each other to make their something of value available. Actually, managing the exchange process means that each party will be better off than they were before. And if this were not the case, trade would be impossible. An exchange should be satisfying to both the buyer and as well as the seller. Next, we will move on to the marketing, which satisfies as a managerial function. Well, speaking about marketing, it is said to be a function of management as it uses management techniques in satisfying customer requirements. In a typical marketing department, one will find the marketing managers, product managers, sales managers, and also the market research managers, and so on. Well, as a function, marketing performs several kinds of activities. We will take like this. One is something like identifying the customer requirements through the market research and anticipating on the customer requirements into the future by way of forecasting, and also working with the other functions in the organization and also to satisfy the customer needs and wants, and also to work out associated costs, understanding the customer perception and set prices, and also organize the channels of distribution in order to distribute the products. And finally, we do these analysis and the planning, implementation, and control of activities. So that's how a managerial function of a marketing works. And next, we'll move on to the marketing as a business philosophy. So marketing is considered as an overall business philosophy, a way of thinking about businesses and a way of working which runs through aspect of the firm's activities. Hence, marketing is viewed not as a separate function but rather as a profit-oriented approach to businesses that combines not just the marketing department but also the entire business. In this regard, it is seen as an attitude of mind or an approach to business rather than a specific discipline. Well, the philosophy that puts customer satisfaction at the center of management think throughout the organization that would distinguish a marketing-oriented firm from the others. As a summary, if you take marketing as a view in the perspective of a philosophy, then the marketing also can be considered as a way of business thinking, a way of working which runs through every aspect of the firm's activities, and also as an approach to businesses that combines and integrates the entire organization. So those are the things that we'll be discussing about marketing for beginners for today. So see you guys on the next episode of Marketing for Beginners. Have a wonderful day.